Hello children, welcome to mathematics online classes. In today's video from mathematics subject, quadratic equations topic we are going to learn. So we have completed already some of the concepts, children. So this basic concept we have finished. Value of quadratic polynomial already we have finished. Regarding zeros of quadratic polynomial we have discussed. Quadratic equation and its roots. This concept is finished. Solving quadratic equation by factorization. All these topics are finished. In today's video, so we are going to discuss about this concept, which is solving a quadratic equation by completing the square. Let's go to the concept, children. So here, one minute, children. Okay. So solving a quadratic equation by completing the square. So this method we are going to learn today. So here the quadratic equation means it will be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. But every quadratic equation can be converted to this form: x plus a whole square minus b square equal to 0, or x minus a whole square minus b square equal to 0. So every quadratic equation so normally can be converted into this model. So to convert into that model, we have to follow some steps. First, bring, if required, all the terms of quadratic equation to the left hand side. So quadratic equation will be having the LHS part and RHS part. If suppose on the RHS part, instead of 0, there is something else, any other term, you have to check that it should be brought out to the left hand side. So all to be present on the left hand side. That is the first step. Next, second step. Express the terms containing x as x square plus 2xy, x square plus 2xy, or x square minus 2xy, x square plus 2xy, or x square minus 2xy. So first we have to bring all to the left hand side, and after that the terms which are having x, like x term, x square term, or any other term, to be written in the form of x square plus 2xy or x square minus 2xy. They may not be present in this form, but we have to make sure that they should be written in this form. After that, here x square is there, here 2xy is there. In the place of y, whatever number we will get, what we have to do means add and subtract y square. This y square to be added, to be subtracted, to be added, to be subtracted. So the value does not changes. Like this we have to write. So after writing like this, now x square plus 2xy plus y square means we have some formulas, mathematical identities. It is equal to x plus y whole square. What is remaining here? Minus y square. And x square minus 2xy plus y square means it can be written as x minus y whole square. What is remaining? Minus y square. So every quadratic equation can be converted into this model. And now we have, after writing like this, we can find out we can solve the problem. You can understand better by example, children. Let's go to the example. So here, in first example, we have to solve the quadratic equation x square plus 8x equal to 0. So what we have learned, all the x terms to be written in the model of x square plus 2xy or x square minus 2xy. So x square, it is in same model, no need to change. But 8x to be changed as 2xy means 8 means we can write it as 2 into 4 into x or 2 into x into 4. So that in the place of y, we will be having 4. So x square plus 2x into 4 equal to 0. Now in the place of y, we are having 4. What we have to do? We have to add y square and we have to subtract y square. Means in the place of y, as we have 4, we have to add 4 square, we have to subtract 4 square. Now x square plus 2 into x into 4 plus 4 square, this will become equal to x plus 4 whole square. From the hint of a plus b whole square, from the formula of a plus b whole square, we can write this part as x plus 4 whole square minus 4 square equal to 16. 4 square equal to 16. 4 square equal to 16. So like this we can write. Next. Here children, x square minus 8x equal to 0. X square minus 8x equal to 0. Just we are learning here how to write it into this model. After that, we are having some more examples. In that complete solvation, we can learn. Suppose we have x square minus 8x. So x square, let us keep it as it is. Minus 8x. This 8x can be written as 2 into x into 4 in the model of 2xy. In the place of y, as we have 4, we have to add 4 square, we have to subtract 4 square. This part, first 3 terms, x square minus 2 into x into 4 plus 4 square can be written as x minus 4 whole square minus 16 equal to 0. So thus, quadratic equations can be written in the model of x plus a whole square minus b square. Okay, children. Next, let's see the example question. Example 9. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations if they exist. Sometimes there may be equation, but its roots does not exist. That condition also may be possible. So that's why if they exist, we have to find the roots of the quadratic equation. By which method? Method of completing the square. Here the first example is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. So here the first term should be in x square, in the form of x square, but we have 2 here. So what we will do means, to remove the 2, we will divide all the terms by 2. So 2x square by 2, it will become x square. Here 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0 by 2 is nothing but 0. 0 by 2 is nothing but 0. Now we have what we have got here. We have got x square minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. But here the first one is okay, but we have to write in the model of x square plus 2xy. X square plus 2xy. X square is okay, but the second term 7 by 2x is not in 2xy form. So what we have to do? 7 by 2x, we need 2 here and x here and y here. What we will do? 2 into x into 7 by 2, but here we have taken 2 extra. Here we have to keep another 2. We have to multiply by 2 and we have to divide by 2. Like this we can do. So why we are doing like this? Because this term to be changed into 2xy model, we have x, we have y, but there is no 2. We have to multiply by 2. To keep the value same, we have to divide by 2 also. We have to divide it by 2. Means or if we have 7 by 2x, to change it into 2xy model, we will multiply by 2, we will divide by 2. This 2 will come front, this x will come front, this 7 by 4, 2 into 2, 4, will remain in the last. So this can be written as 2 into x into 7 by 4, 7 by 4. So after that, what we have to do? We have to add this y square and we have to subtract y square. So for x square plus 2xy, y square to be added, y square to be subtracted. 7 by, as y is 7 by 4 here, 7 by 4 square to be added, 7 by 4 square to be subtracted, remaining term to be kept as it is. Remaining term to be kept as it is. So now, this part will become, it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a minus b whole square. Means x minus 7 by 4 whole square minus 7 square means 49, 4 square means 16 plus 3 by 2. Let's keep the first term as it is and simplify the remaining term. Minus we can take common. 16 and 2, LCM is 16. 16, 1 is 16, 1 into 49, 49. 2, 8 times 16, 8, 3 times 24. Because minus we have taken common, middle symbol will change. 49 minus 24 by 16, which is equal to 25 by 16. 25 by 16. So we have got x minus 7 by whole square minus 25 by 16. If it goes towards the right hand side, it will become plus 25 by 16. So what does it mean? X minus 7 by 4 whole square equal to 25 by 16. 25 can be written as plus or minus 5. 60 can be written as plus or minus 4 whole square, or plus or minus 5 by 4 whole square. So this can be written as plus or minus 5 by 4 whole square. Square gets cancelled. So we will be having x minus 7 by 4 equal to plus or minus 5 by 4. So one time we can take 5 by 4, or second time we can take minus 5 by 4. Its value may be equal to 5 by 4 or minus 5 by 4. If it equals to 5 by 4, let's take this minus 7 by 4 to RHS. It will become plus 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4. It is 12 by 4, which is equal to 3. Or if you take it equal to minus 5 by 4, let's take to right hand side. Minus 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4 equal to 2 by 4. 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. So these two are the roots of the given equation. So how we are able to find out means, we are able to find out by completing the square method. Completing the square method. Next, second one. So 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. So this is the equation. First, we need x square term. Whatever coefficient is there before x square term, no need of that. So for that, what we can do? We can divide the entire equation by 4. 4x square by 4 plus 4 root 3x by 4 plus 3 by 4 equal to 0. 4 gets cancelled. X square. 4 gets cancelled. Root 3x. 3 by 4 equal to 0. So x square plus this root 3x to be written in the model of 2xy. So what we can do? Root 3x, we can multiply by 2 and we can divide by 2. We will take 2 in the front. After that, we will write x. Next remaining root 3 by 2 we will write in the last. So we are converting it into 2 into x into root 3 by 2. Now in the place of y, we have root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square to be added. Root 3 by 2 whole square to be subtracted. Now this part, it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a plus b whole square. Means x plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Up to this part simplified as x plus root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 whole square means square root gets cancelled, 3 we will get, 2 square means 4 we will get. After that we have plus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 gets cancelled. So x plus root 3 by 2 whole square equal to 0. So square comes this side means x plus root 3 by 2 equal to root 0, which is equal to 0, or x equal to minus root 3 by 2. We are getting only one value here. So roots are, first root will be minus root 3 by 2. Second root also will be minus root 3 by 2. Means roots will be same. Two roots will be same for this equation. Next children, another example. So 2x square plus x plus 4. So 2x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. Coefficient of x square is 2. Let's divide all the terms by 2. 2 gets cancelled. X square will be remaining. Second term x by 2. Third term 2 times 4. 2 will be remaining. Right hand side 0 by 2 equals to 0. Now x by 2 to be written in 2xy model. So as there is no 2 in front of this, we can multiply by 2, we can divide by 2. Now 2 we can write in the front. Now x we have to write to the next. After that 2 times 4. In the numerator there is nothing means 1 we can take. So we can write it as 2 into x into 1 by 4. 2 into x into 1 by 4. Like that we have written. In the place of y we have 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 whole square to be added, to be subtracted. Remaining term to be written as it is. Right hand side as it is. Now this part can be written as, it is in the amount of a square into 2 into a into b plus b square. This can be written as a plus b whole square, which means x plus 1 by 4 whole square. So x plus 1 by 4 whole square. Next 1 by 4 whole square will become 1 by 16. 1 by 16 plus 2. Next this term as it is. 1 by 16 plus 2 means 16 2 times 32 minus 1 plus 31 by 16. This we are getting by this. So x plus 1 by 4 whole square equal to, if 31 by 16 comes this side, minus 31 by 16 we are getting. But x plus 1 by 4 whole square, here we are having square, it's a perfect square. We are telling that we have got that it is equal to minus 31 by 16, which cannot be written, minus 31 by 16, which cannot be written as any number square, which cannot be written as any number square. We cannot write 31 as any number square, but 16 can be written as 4 square. So this is wrong. So here the real numbers we are getting negative. It is not possible. Square, this method is not possible when we get the real numbers as negative. So we cannot find the roots for this equation. Okay, children, that's all about completing squares method. So next, another concept we are having, let's discuss about in our next video. So thank you for watching our video, children. Have a good day. That's all for today, children. Have a good day.